Today's baby Jackson is 1 month old today, and he has the hiccups. Well, yep.
They just won't go away, will they?
Oh. Oh dear.
Poor little guy's been going for like 15 minutes.
Yeah, it's a rough life.
Ah.
Baby Jackson, honey, is it so rough?
Stop laughing at me, Mama.